Close to 150 homes could be built in the near future by the Rancho Maria Golf Club in Orchid. KSBY News reporter Alex Gonzalez spoke to some of those involved and impacted by the project.
Now, the undeveloped land surrounding me here at the Rancho Maria Golf Course is part of Key Site 21, which is part of the Orchid Community Plan. Those in the area, however, are concerned about the impacts the potential housing project could bring with it. Exactly 146 golf course homes are planned for 189 acres of the 340 acres that make up Key Site 21. Many, however, are not only worried about the traffic this might bring to the area, but are also concerned about things such as environmental and economic factors.
This development that they're proposing makes Rancho Maria just a worse place. It takes away a lot of the economical resources. It could possibly finish us off. We might not make it through the construction because it changes the golf course from a rural setting into more of a housing community.
The potential housing project is being led by the Orchid Ranch LLC group, and according to Francis Romero, spokesperson for the company, they have done everything in compliance with the county to make this process easier and more inclusive for everyone, but haven't received the same treatment in return.
The applicant has made some offers to the golf course about how to make sure that they're not financially impacted during the construction. We have tried to talk to our neighbors, and basically we were told that they didn't want to talk about things until after the EIR was out, and quite frankly, that's a little far down the road.
Now, if this housing project does come to flourish, it will bring jobs and revenue to the communities of Orchid and Santa Maria, an estimated $9 million alone in salaries and benefits. Reporting in Orchid, Alex Gonzalez, KSBY News.
No word on how much these potential homes could cost. They are being targeted to those who are 55 or older.